I'm going to read a little. Breathing awareness. We've got a mama eagle feeding her baby. It's really hard to see, but we're going to try and read anyway. Lie down on the floor with your legs flat or bent at the knees, your arms at your sides, palms up, and your eyes closed. Breathe through your nose if you can. Focus on your breathing. Place your hand on the place that seems to rise and fall the most as you breathe. If this place is on your chest, you need to practice breathing more deeply so that your abdomen rises and falls most noticeably. When you are nervous or anxious, you tend to breathe short, shallow breaths in the upper chest. Now place both hands on your abdomen and notice how your abdomen rises and falls with each breath. Notice if your chest is moving in harmony with your abdomen. Continue to do this for several minutes. Get up slowly. This is something you can do during a break at work. If you cannot lie down, you can do it sitting in a chair. The next one, being present in the moment. Most of the stress in our lives comes from thinking about the past or worrying about the future. Instead, experiment with placing all of your attention in the present moment so that there is no room to feel anything else. When other thoughts intrude, just turn your awareness back to the present. It is not necessary to be alone in a special place to focus all of your attention on the moment. Try doing it when you are feeling irritated, waiting in a line, stopped at a street light, stuck in traffic, or just feeling overwhelmed or worried. Notice how this exercise makes you feel. Things to remember every day. I can help myself feel better. There are many good things I can do to help myself feel better. I am in control of my life. This has been more of the paperwork from healing the traumas of abuse. This has been self-soothing. There's one more part left with guided imagery. Thank you. I appreciate you.